£3,000, and it's next.
All right, mate.
And now an important announcement from TC Harrison. If you receive the higher rate mobility component of the Disability Living Allowance and the Your Pensions Mobility Supplement, your route to a brand new car is now easier than ever. Contact the specialist at TC Harrison, and our Motability experts will help you turn that allowance into the new Ford of your choice. It's the key to a host of special Motability offers, including 3 years free servicing, insurance and breakdown cover, and much more. For example, right now, you can drive away a brand new Ford Focus with no deposit and £400 cash back. No one looks after Motability customers better, so hurry. Call 0845 408 1000 or visit tcs.co.uk and check your eligibility now. TC Harrison, the Motability experts.
It's all about people. Working with the right people, having lunch with the right people, and shipping the right people. That's where we come in. At TNT, we connect people and businesses every day through our ultra-fast European road network. New to TNT? Send a shipment up to 100 kilograms across Europe for free and experience the power of the people network today. Go to tnt.co.uk.
TNT, the People Network.
Selected destinations, exclusions apply. Free delivery to your bedroom, not just your home. Low prices every day of the year. At Beds of Paradise, we don't work to commission targets. We work to make sure you receive the best possible service, including free disposal of your old bed when we deliver your new one. There's no pushy salesman, just sincere experienced advice. So visit your local independent bed specialist at Beds of Paradise, Paradise Road, Town and Market. Peterborough Boiler Services for expert installation, service and repair of oil, gas and LPG heating. Visit pbs-heating.co.uk. If your poorly head is, your sinuses are, or your temperature is, then there's a way to get the remedy you need.
Hi, I'm Alison of Bad Sister Asta. If you're feeling under the weather, just come and see us. We've got a huge range of medicines available in store to get you back on your feet, even if it's something really persistent